Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, Mike's Drones and More, guys. And today is race day. It is Sunday, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around. We'll kind of pan through all the racers here, and then I will show you guys the track we're going to be racing today.
This thing I get fried just
All right, so here we are. This is the setup tent where we check in, and these guys announce the races and everything like that. So check everything out. There we go. And so here is our track today. I'm not sure how the track is going to be, but guys, check that out right there. That looks freaking cool, huh? So we got this really nice net here in front of us, so that way if a quad decides to kind of get out of hand, we are protected. So, but definitely check this course out. This is freaking cool looking. So all right, guys. Well, I'll check in with you after a little bit and say hi.